Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today we are going to do a classic red French tip with some pearls. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply a nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of Spilt Milk and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using a dozen roses, apply a thin coat to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Gelous nail art glue and your dotting tool, place 3 dots where you want your pearls to be. Using the classic pearl set and your dotting tool, place a pearl on top of the nail art glue. Here I have used the smallest white pearl. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat around the pearls and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.